Hey, today's Cooking with Miss Pope. We're going to make s'mores. So the things that you're going to need are some marshmallows, graham crackers, and some chocolate. Any chocolate will do. You're going to make sure that you have a pan lined with foil, and you're also going to start your oven at 350. Let it preheat so it gets nice and hot. While your oven is heating up, you're going to build your s'mores. So first you're going to put down your graham crackers. Then you're going to put your chocolate. Then on top of the chocolate, you're going to put your marshmallows. Next, you're going to put your s'mores into the oven. Be careful because it's very, very hot. Make sure you have an adult with you while you do that. Okay, after about 2 to 4 minutes, you're going to take out the s'mores and you're going to make sure you're wearing an oven mitt on your hand because you can burn yourself. Be very careful. Ooh, look how gooey they look. Make sure you turn off the oven. And then you're going to top them with another graham cracker. Look at that mushy, gooey marshmallow. Oop, my other one's cracked. It's okay. Make sure you let them cool before you eat it. So mine have been sitting out for maybe about 1 to 2 minutes. Take it up
and enjoy.